Did you know that understanding your hair's porosity can completely change the way you care for it? Let's dive right into it. Hair porosity is your hair's ability to absorb and hold moisture. It depends on the condition of your hair's cuticle, the outermost layer of each strand of your hair. If the cuticle is tightly packed, your hair may have low porosity, meaning it resists absorbing moisture. If it's loose or damaged, your hair might have high porosity, absorbing moisture quickly but losing it just as fast. Medium porosity is the balance, making it easier to keep your hair hydrated. You can test your hair's porosity with a simple water test. Take a clean strand of hair and drop it into a glass of water. If it floats, you likely have low porosity hair. If it sinks quickly, you have high porosity hair. If it stays somewhere in the middle, you have medium porosity. Use lightweight, water-based products for low porosity hair and avoid heavy oils that can sit on the surface. For high porosity hair, use thick creams, oils, and butters to lock in moisture. Protein treatments can help strengthen hair and repair damage to the cuticle. For medium porosity hair, stick to a balanced hair care routine with regular deep conditioning. I hope this was helpful. Follow eHealthy Info for more.